All right, good afternoon, Astro Space fans. Today you're actually joining live on an Solar Aerospace stream, and I'll be your main host, CB. But let's get this started. You are watching Godzilla 2, the satellite launcher of Solar Aerospace, which is not only designed to deliver payloads to Earth orbit, but also could land on a drone ship. But today we are actually landing on the Gulf, as we are you want to keep things better for our first flight. So what you're seeing over here is Godzilla 2, and it's a two-stage rocket. It has 7 engines. We are using TSL engines actually, and we are using Rhino engines, which are located up on the second stage. And for our payload today, we are flying a dummy payload, which is a tin can, but also has a cat implanted on it. So, about the drone ship that I was mentioning, yes, the drone ship will have a additional view of the booster landing, very, very close, because, we're doing a simulated catch, so the booster is going to hover, and it's going to fall, and just explode expectantly. And yeah, so this is my first time here, hosting with you guys, and I'm happy to be here for today. So yeah, we're using TSL engines to fly. We're trying to prove Astro Space's engine right, and then yeah, let's give it to you, Nick.
Okay, hello. Astro Space fans, you may know me as Nick Pay 747, the CEO and Flight Director of Astro Space, your main commentator on Astro Space. But today, I'm the guest commentator for this Solar Astro stream here with CB. And I'm here to talk about TSL V3, our next generation engine that is here on Godzilla 2. TSL V3 is a revolutionary redesign of TSL. TSL started with TSL V1, which was a primitive design. It was efficient and good, but it wasn't the best design. Then, we upgraded it with TSL V2, which was a better design, super reliable, and served us well. But, in the name of innovation, we chose to renovate it even further. It's more efficient, has way more redesigns, and future versions allow us to remove shielding, which will allow us to remove weight on TSL V3.1. However, these are not the vehicles. These are future iterations. Normal TSL V3 is extremely efficient, an extremely innovative engine, and it will be going in this rocket, and it'll be tested, and if it works, it'll inspire Astro and Solar to keep using TSL V3. So back to CB.
Well, yeah, I agree with Nick said. So, we are experimenting their engines, and we're gonna push them to their limits today, and hopefully one of them survives or one of them explodes. But yeah, and you know, we are this rocket has been developed by me since how long? Like the early 2025,
Yeah, I think so.
and this rocket is you know the best creation for Solar Aerospace, and it's yeah, it can reach low Earth orbit and deploy satellites to space, and yeah, you'll see one of our upcoming future rockets, which will be yeah, live streamed.
Yeah,
This is
so
also Solar Aerospace's second flight. The first flight being in June 2024 with Godzilla 1, our smallest rocket. However, due to excuses of like bankruptcy, we couldn't be able to do flight 2 of Godzilla 1.
okay, so now we're gonna move into like general stuff. So Astro and Solar, as you know, have a partnership, and we are streaming this and providing our hardware to them, and it's a great partnership. You want to talk more about that, Stevie? We can talk together.
Yeah. So, okay. Solar Aerospace and Astro Space decided to partner with each other on going to the moon, and we're using one of our biggest main rockets. Our biggest main rockets are basically Starlight, and for Solar Aerospace, it's called Kennedy 2, and it's the same height as Starlight, and it's really great.
Kennedy 2 is an amazing rocket, and I'd love to see it get off the ground, which it will eventually, sometime later this year or next year.
Oh, and Block 2 will be the one that's like heading to the moon. We'll be seeing Block 2 Kennedy 2 deliver a moon base. Yes, a moon base.
Yeah, while we're on the topic, planetary exploration. Planetary exploration is an interesting thing, and we're both committed to planetary exploration. And it's really great to expand to go to the moon, Mars, and something. If you develop the tech, interstellar, or maybe to Jupiter or Titan, there's a lot of places you could go interstellar.
And you know, Kennedy 2 will collaborate with Starlight V2, V3, and will be a useful asset to our exploration on Mars and beyond.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome to see planetary exploration. Planetary exploration is such a nice concept to expand our reach to the universe. Not just for humans, but science. To see what is like on our universe beyond our planet.
And honestly, about Kennedy 1, it's our rocket. We are also gonna use Kennedy 1 to go to the moon. So Kennedy 1 may deliver some rovers to the moon and to study the moon. Anything we could possibly do.
Lastly, let's talk a little bit about partnership. So, CV, you want to go ahead and talk a little bit more of the partnership before we get into the launch.
So for our partnership, we've collaborated with each other to form a base on the moon, form a base on Mars, and this is our first collaboration for this launch. And since it's our collaboration for today, we're flying Astro Space's engine.
Yeah,
So,
which is awesome to see. And again, I mentioned that, but we're going the business end. So, CV, take over.
yeah, so the business for both of us, we're going to study the moon. We're going to see. Okay, so future
Yeah.
Solar Aerospace launches will be streamed on its own channel, but whenever the channel is unavailable for whatever reason, like now, we will stream on behalf of Solar Aerospace. So
Yeah, and Astro will do the same, and Solar could do the same to Astro. But let's get into the countdown because we're literally about to launch.
yeah, we're literally about to launch. Let's go!
I know,
And,
right? So
yeah.
awesome. Bro.
So what I'll say is
Try and hold it 1 minute.
and hold on 1 minute. And after all of those get knocked off, we're going to see deluge firing, and we're gonna see ignition and then liftoff. There goes the hold, and that
Oh.
hold
Here's
we'll
the
be
one.
checking things out, and then once everything's all good, we'll be go. We'll be go.
Go.
One is go. TS2 is go. Payload health is go. Deluge is go. First
Go.
stage engines are go. Second stage engines are go. Flight director is go for launch, and launch director is go for launch. Chill down. Engine chill down is completed.
Hold release.
We're
3,
getting hold
2,
release.
1.
Hold release.
Hold release. Here we go.
And once again, you'll be seeing the deluge ignite. Then soon, like
Oh my god, this will be
seconds
so
later,
good.
you'll see it ignite. The 7 engines will all ignite together, and the clamps will release the rocket, and then we will have a liftoff. And hopefully, yeah. Oh, deluge has primed, by the way, but hopefully we'll be able to see a liftoff today. No scrubs, no issues. I hope.
Yeah, here we go. Inside the final 25 seconds. Oh my
Give us
god.
4 seconds.
This is gonna be so beautiful.
15,
Here we go.
13,
Count it down.
11,
10,
10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 1.
1.
Hold. We have a hold. We have a hold.
Abort.
There's an abort. There's an abort. We have an abort.
We have an aborted
It's out.
worker.
Reviewing data as of now. Please do not worry. We are still, if everything goes well, we're going to lift off. Clock is at T minus 5 minutes.
And we still lost.
Issue has been resolved. All flags are green. We are go again. We are recycling back to T minus 1 minute. Please do not be alarmed.
What was the issue, by the way?
The issue most likely comes from the tank farm. We've always had an issue with the tank farm. And the rocket itself, it's fine. But we'll be reviewing more data. Hold release.
Hold release. Let's hope it actually comes off the ground this time.
All right. I'll be doing the countdown again. You know, just so you know.
Inside 45 seconds for the second time.
T-minus 40.
Here we go. 130 seconds.
T-minus 30.
25. 20. 15.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
7,
1.
Let's start the lift off the ground.
We have liftoff of Godzilla 2, and Solar Aerospace. Vehicles pushing downrange, all engines are nominal.
Oh my god,
Stage 1 chamber pressures are nominal, all engines are nominal. Vehicles are looking nominal.
oh my god, that was so good. I was worried that vehicle lifted off like a second attempt. Heading into space.
So, during this milestone, we'll see max Q, and we'll have state separation, and hopefully we'll get a boost back and be attempted. And as of now, you'll see the full expand. So, both stages are looking nominal today. We're seeing no issues at all. That is surprising, and
Here we go, past 1 minute. Vehicle's looking good so far.
Stage 1 engines are nominal. Power telemetry is nominal. Stage 1 is continuing to look good. All engines are still active. We're currently on the right track.
We're at 2 minutes, pitching downrange. Vehicle's looking good.
Stage 1 is continuing its ascent to make Stage 2 head to its destination.
Stage 1 will be landing in the Indian Ocean, right?
No, it'll be landing at the Gulf.
Oh.
I'm sorry. And hey, Stage 1 will land near the drone ship, by the way. And the drone
Wait,
ship,
is it like a powered landing or like or
it'll be doing a hover, and then
oh, so
the
like yeah,
engine's cut
powered
off.
water
The
landing.
engine's cut off, and then kaboom. But yeah,
It's
you'll
like-
be having the
like the
additional
Starship.
view.
Like the Starship boosters?
You'll be having the additional view on the drone ship.
Scroll down for stage separation. So it'll be like the Starship boosters, where they control to a stop and then blow up.
Yes. Oh, and we're throttling down for stage separation, so
Throttling down.
watch for it.
Watch for stage separation, Alan. Okay, right.
But man, looking on the pad, it's just so empty.
Yeah, it feels so weird, especially stage separation.
Separation! Stage 2
Engine
ignition!
ignition. The
Stage
engines
2
are
engines are
fine.
looking nominal.
Waiting for the fairing to deploy. Or the fairing deploy.
We have the first tin can with a cat in space. Welcome to this.
Yeah, welcome, Tin Can.
Welcome to the vacuum of space.
Well, yeah, welcome to the vacuum of space. Dummy Tin Can. Yeah.
As of now, stage 1 is doing its boost back burn. So hopefully this all goes well and we'll able to see a nominal
One who's back looks nominal.
stage 1 continues its descent as stage 2 is continuing its descent towards Earth orbit. And by the way, stage 2 will do a 2-day orbit before it
2D
suddenly
orbit. Very endurance. Is that the
stage 2 will be orbiting for 2 days and then suddenly it comes back to Earth and then
That's the test
lands.
stage 2's endurance, right?
Yeah.
Like how long it can survive in outer space, which is a great idea. Stage 2 looks good. Halo looks good. The first stage looks nominal.
First stage engines are still
Still
powered
performing that boost spec.
We're just awaiting the engine to shut down, just so
And then
we can see the booster flip,
yeah,
and then get prepared to hit its way back to Earth. There we go!
there we go.
Booster flip! Booster flip!
It's flipping.
Now it's continuing its descent back to Earth. We are eligible on seeing stage 1 doing a nominal landing burn. I hope so.
We have the track cam from Mr. Hoop, the drone ship.
Yep. Funny thing about Mr. Hoop is I named it because of a basketball hoop. I thought of that idea and I wanted to name it that way.
I mean, thinking of funny names, after drone ship is named Try Not to Sink by me.
Yeah.
So I love when drone ship names have funny names. It's just funny to say them.
So as of now, while stage 1 descends back to Earth, its fins will be guiding the booster, and then yeah, it'll be landing. All right, so now
can't believe this mission was so close to
we're getting
scrubbing.
closer. We're getting closer. We're getting
Yeah.
All right, so now the drone ship's landing rails are actually active. They will be simulating a catch.
I'm watching Mr. Hoop looking for the vehicle.
As Mr. Hoop is tracking down the first stage, it is going to follow stage 1's movement, and then you'll see an entire explosion.
It's still crazy to me that this mission's like aborted at 0-0 and still recycled. There it goes. It's
There it goes. It's landing. It's landing.
Mr. Hoop. Mr. Hoop
Stage 1
has.
landing rails are up. Yo, look at that, baby.
Look at that. Look at the view from Mr. Hoop as
There
it
it
hovers.
is.
Look at the view from
Look at that
Mr.
hover.
Hoop.
Oh,
Shut down.
yes! Yes!
Yes.
Godspeed! Godzilla 2! Oh, baby. Oh, man.
That was normal.
Yeah, that was all normal. Please do not take this
Yeah, that was
seriously.
entirely normal. It was. Yeah.
Oh, and checking on stage 2, it is still on its nominal path to orbit. We're going to expect a second stage engine cutoff, and then we'll be seeing a payload deployment. So watch for that, because this one's also exciting.
Waiting for stage 2 to shut down.
And while we wait,
Oh, we did Chico? Then we need to wait for payload to fly.
yeah, we'll see. But yeah, stage one. Okay, we just lost every telemetry of stage one, but man, that was really awesome.
Is it the cat in the can? Right?
Yeah. Wait, no, it's a picture of a cat on a can. And yeah, the payload deploy will happen shortly in
Payload
10
deployment
minutes.
is expected very soon. This was
Payload
an amazing
deployment will
flight.
happen T plus 10 minutes,
It's hard.
so stay tuned.
Again, it's hard to believe this mission awarded 0-0 and then recycled and still launched. Normally, I was sure it was gonna scrub there, don't you think?
Oh, oh, look at that! It deployed!
Oh,
It deployed!
there
It
we go.
deployed! Let's go!
That's mission success right there.
Mission success. Solar Aerospace has gotten absolute better data, and for the stage two's next milestone, it's going to be orbiting for 2 days. Yes, two
Yeah,
whole days.
it will continue its orbit for 2 days to test endurance.
And
And
then
now,
it'll do a after 2 whole days, it'll come back to Earth and then, you know, come back to Earth to do a splashdown. Just kind of like stage one, of course.
yeah, let's recap this. Oh my god. It scrubbed, it aborted at 0-0, came back, did an awesome flight. How can you get better than that?
Yeah, and the fact that we had a little hold at the first part and then suddenly, boom, we just launched.
Yeah, we had
What?
0-0, and we were sure it was gonna. I was sure it was gonna scrub, but no, it somehow launched.
Yeah, it somehow launched, and it's absolutely crazy seeing the payload literally going away from us right now. And
Yeah, you didn't know what the issue was.
we'll be figuring out the data, and you know, hopefully
Yeah,
we'll probably get it.
man, what a flight!
What a flight, y'all. And as of now,
And, yeah, an empty pad is a good pad, as they say.
hey, look, hey, look at all that. Hey, if you look at the launch pad right now, it's just empty, man. It's so empty.
There.
Very empty, man.
Cameras are so beautiful, honestly. It should
It
be.
is so empty.
I know. It's
I
crazy.
wonder what will flight 2 have?
Yeah, let's recap. Let's end the webcast. Are you gonna do the sign off thing? Like,
Well,
I'll
as
sign off
Solar,
first.
as Solar Aerospace's representative, I'll let you sign off first.
Yeah, this is Nick P747, your co-commentator and guest, your main Astro Space CEO and flight director, joining you as a guest on this solar flight. I'm signing off. What an amazing flight! I can't believe this thing lifted off, but what an amazing flight. Goodbye.
And this is the CEO of Solar Aerospace signing off. But one last thing I'll say. Thanks for thanks for tuning into this launch. We appreciate your confidence seeing this launch all the way up and then back to Earth. But yeah, it's
Yeah,
great to
and
see y'all.
thank you
Have
to
a
the
great-
guys in the chat of the YouTube stream and the game. You guys did an amazing job
Well,
commentating.
have a great time. The CEO is now signing off.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.